Messrs. Barber and Corporation, comma, the new carriage company, comma, and the Dorset Supply Company, comma, are to be converted into limited companies, full stop. The annual reports of the Malleable Iron Corporation Limited, comma, Smith, Brown and Corporation Limited, comma, and the Weaving Corporation Limited, comma, all bear testimony to the prosperity of trade during the past year, full stop. A government official, comma, a well-known railway official, comma, and a clerk in another government department have all advised me to take shares in Lee's Brewery Company, comma, but, comma, as a member of a temperance society, comma, I do not like the idea, full stop. The local authorities have invited the committee of the Agricultural Society to arrange a show here, comma, and the local society of musicians has undertaken the charge of the musical arrangements, full stop. It is hoped the committee will arrange the matter, full stop. Please make arrangements to come over on the first day if possible, full stop, close.